Guys, what's going on? Sir Sound here. Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Today we're just on Iridia. We are heading. I think we finished here in the last episode. What's this? Fiddle Hill to now. No, I want to upgrade my weapons if I can. So let's head to the next area. Awesome.
Which planet should we go to? I believe Planet would be a good choice.
This one with the races, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Should be cool. God damn, Ratchet.
As you may have noticed, we appear to be dealing with a small outbreak of amoeboids. Our security teams are working hard to rid the city of these creatures, but first they have to wake up, get washed, brush their teeth, drive over here, and really it's a whole process. So until they arrive, the race is postponed. Please stay inside the halls while we manage the crisis. Thank you.
Let's clear
Shoot.
out some amoeboids. I have a new McMark's hoverboard I want to try out.
McMarks, Skid McMarks. That's the dude, wasn't he? Oh, I can break these. Oh, we got some slam.
What's down here?
What's down here? Connect the hydro splicer. Oh. Hit that guy so hard he went up onto land and drowned, the poor lad. Alright. Hydro splicer. It's a cool weapon. That was a bad idea. Or was it? There we go. I know I could probably have killed him in the water, but you know, better to be safe than sorry, I think. Yeah. Connect the hydrosphere. Just going through the sewer pipes. Let's get it on, fishy. Not in that way. Can't go that way. Don't know why I'm going this way. Let's go this way. Where do I go? I forgot you can swim in this game. Surface. Got him. All right. Let's carry on. Sewer what?
I believe we should run now.
Good idea. No time to be killing enemies. We just gotta get out of here for enemy. Okay, we have a bit of time. No, we don't. We don't have time anymore.
The water is rising.
Oh dear, the water is rising. Come on. Shit. Oh shit. Get him.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
Where the hell am I? Okay, so that's...
Close.
I got a pretty nervy at one point. Not gonna lie. Collect all the... I'm curious now, what's down here? Yep, goodies. There's goodies down here. Shit.
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe underwater.
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe under water. Right, that's everything. Let's go. Very high-tech sewer system, I do have to say.
This place
We
looks like
escaped
bad
the
news.
sewers.
Better keep our eyes peeled, Clank.
Wait. This guy looks like a drug dealer. Is he a drug dealer? I think he is. He is, he's a drug dealer.
Rhino hollow cards.
What's a rhino?
Only the most powerful super weapon in the galaxy, Chief. Stands for Rip You a New One. See, the Gadgetron guys, they knew the plans would be too dangerous to leave in any one location. So they split them up and printed them on a bunch of hollow cards. Me and my associates would very much like to acquire these hollow cards, and thus, the full plan.
And let me guess, if we give you all the hollow cards, you'll build us the weapon.
That is correct, my industrious friend. Here, take this trespasser. It may help facilitate the acquisition of said merchandise.
Ah. We're bad guys now. What's this? Giant vibrator.
You looking to make a deal?
No, I just want to go inside your ship, mate. Rob you blind. I do what you gonna do to me anyway. Right. So I assume that's wait, wasn't there? Look at that. There's mean looking motherfuckers. What the? Ooh. That seems unnecessary. That is quite interesting. You got one. What'd I get? The Rhino. Rip you a new one. Oh, I got 2 packs. Skid McMax. That's the hoverboard part. We're not supposed to be there. Wait, no, what? I did not want to do that.
What do you
Or
say,
did I?
pal?
Nope.
Feel like entering the race?
Contain and exterminate all unauthorized organisms. Rodent-type organism detected. Exterminate.
Shit.
Rodent-type organism detected. Exterminate. Exterminate.
He gave me a card. How nice of him. Shit. Can't shoot straight, apparently. Keep forgetting what you can hit and can't hit with shooting and shit. Shite, I did not mean to fall in the water. I like my boxes. Jesus. Oh, look at all these gems. All these bolts, sorry. Jesus, we got a lot of them there. I thought we had 8,000 a second ago. How did we... Is it when you get injured you do some? Oh. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, what the frick? My ass is getting handed to me. There's a door. That doesn't open, Captain. Up we go. More bad dudes. Oh, they destroy them dudes. Oh, bloody fucking hell. Oh, that was smart of me, wasn't it? Yeah. Oh, they'll take care of them. You not very nice, motherfucker. You got him. The Grovatron. Is this dude like the lad that's like, oh, you got enough money for your Grovatron? Is that like our accountant? And he's like just trying to sell us some random shite. Bam bam. Is this not combustor ammo? Why couldn't I pick it up last time? Okay, Gravitron, Gadgetron. Weapon creates instant dance parry. Got him. It's a handy thing, alright, isn't it? What does that do? Oh, it's a fish shop. Selling black market fish, no doubt. It is very handy, alright, to just distract them enough for you to plan your attack. What the frickin'? It's a bleeding tank. How am I supposed to blow up a tank?
I doubt that's the last of them.
Jesus, that was tough. What'd that do? Oh. I don't see how that was nice. What did that exactly do? Oh. I assume that's secrets. Awesome. Please Tell me I collected everything up there. Nope, I didn't get the crystal. Awesome. That's why I was trying to land on it. Wouldn't let me land on it. Probably should stop wasting my grenades. Wait, am I not? Where am I supposed to go? Oh. My bad. Oh shit. Nope. I missed his jewels. Gotta get them jewels. The jewels. Where are we now? What's this? Some weird flower. Okay, so we've got some rude dudes down there. I did not actually mean to do that. Three 3,000 only. Don't know why I have the hiccups. Never had the hiccups this long. But yeah, happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm recording this on St. Patrick's Day, so this won't be up till next week. The week after St. Patrick's Day. Hope you guys are doing well. It's Monday, I think, is it? Is it Monday? Yeah, it's Monday. Maybe not, actually. Depends on how far through the episode we are. Maybe a Tuesday or a Wednesday. Wednesday, sorry. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Whatever day it is. How are you doing? Ah, shit. Unlawful life form? How am I unlawful? I'll take offense to that, thank you. I'm a low Lombax. Jesus fucking Christ. These guys are annoying. They're not challenging, they're just, you know, they're just annoying. Like, they're so, oh, freaking hell. Just take them at one at a time and it's decent, but you try any other funky shit and they... Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, it's a tank. I don't think that actually damaged it. Let's get him, boys. Let's fuck him up. Yeah, I see a tank. The camera keeps changing to look at the tank. It's like there's an enemy there. Like I don't know. I've a really good game I think coming up later on this year. I say this year because I don't know when I'm going to record it. But yeah, it should be coming up soon I think. Now, how do I get back there? Well, that's... no, I've been there. Right. No, I don't think we're completely hosed. I don't see any hosts, to be honest. Got him. Wipe out that dude. No? No friendly fire? They're like the dudes in Star Wars, you know, that shake their guns. The Jawas, is it? I think they are Jawas. Jawas, though. You know, the dudes. Or is it... no, the sand dune people. That was cool. I enjoyed that. So, what's next on our mission? I guess we're going here. Okay. Is that health? Obviously don't need any health. Shit, we need health after that.